my mom vlog. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys all the basics she's bringing to New York City. I'm going next year, so next year we're probably going to Florida again, if it's like not in Florida. And then when my mom and Benny go to New York, I'm gonna go with them next year because this year was too short notice. So this is my suitcase that my mom bought me that she's using. Okay, can I start showing? Well, you want all of this right here. This is the basics. There's a lot of thrifted stuff here. So this jacket right here, jean jacket, this is coming with us. This was thrifted. Jean jacket, cute, cute, cute. It was like $5. Then there's this cute fall flannel that I said she should bring because it's super cute, cute. It's super cute. Very fall color. My mom can rock flannels very good. And then this black shirt, this black plain shirt with little buttons on it.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, welcome.
And then this was thrifted, the really long sleeve right here. That's really long right there. And it has these little zips on the side. And then this was also thrifted. Don't know what brand this is. It's Cremulux.
Cremu.
There's a little doggy on this one.
We still have to figure out what I'm taking.
This halter crop, but that was also thrifted. And that's all her little must-haves that she has to bring. Let's do a fit check. Shoes, Journeys, socks, Dicks, pants, cotton on.
From her mom.
You literally gave them to me.
I gave them to her.
And then this shirt from Buckle, this necklace. Hold on, I gotta get the
Kendra Scott. Oh, yep, you're not in there.
this little
Nope, still not there. Kendra Scott.
Kendra Scott and earrings, Amazon.
Ooh, yay, Amazon.
And then this.
No one can see them because you're covering them up. There you go.
And then the second pair was
She forgot.
Yeah.
Okay. Pack for New York with us.
Okay, come on, we gotta get the show on the road.
Okay.
I wanna
Yeah.
watch that show.
Gotta. Oh, sorry. What show?
That show.
So I'm gonna bring these. I just got them from the Buckle.
We love Buckle. Give us a sponsor, please, Buckle.
Yeah, Buckle.
My
These are
favorite
the-
brand is Buckle.
These are the Peyton ones.
No,
Peyton
my
Fit.
favorite brand is Billabong.
Oh, where are my black ones?
Ah, you should bring those ones too.
Will you go get the black ones out of the
No,
laundry
the
room
washer.
for me? No, they're not in the washer. They're in the dryer. Or in the. They're in the. I don't want to bring those. I don't want to bring those. No, they're in the basket. They're in the basket. Okay, so skinny jeans. I know they're not cool anymore, but whatever. I'm not cool anymore. Got my new Vans. Never gotten the white and black ones. I normally just get the all black. Brand new. Can't wait to wear them. Yay. Super excited for myself for
Your
those.
undergarments were falling on the floor.
Oh. The chonies were falling on the floor. I think I'm gonna bring these American Eagle pants.
Those are very cute.
From American Eagle. They're kind of like a loose fit, and then they have like a cuff at the bottom. I think I want to cut the cuff.
We don't cut our clothes. We don't cut our clothes.
Right. I just want to cut that so that it's.
No, we don't cut. So then she has these black buckles that she got the other day. So anyway, these are super, super skinny jean. Shaping and smooth, so they're like stretchy. So
Maybe I'll wear these on the plane.
I thought you were wearing this.
I might wear the hoodie.
Zoe, stop tickling my foot.
2 pairs of pants. 3 pairs of pants. I got bringing
You're not bringing leggings.
2 pairs of leggings. 2 pairs of just plain black leggings.
And then there's this green comfort hoodie, a little chunky hoodie. Says comfort on it. Just the latitude is 80.1918 degrees west.
West, people. West.
Then we have this little design up here that's like leather. It says comfort, and then the latitude of this is 25.7617 degrees north.
I just don't know if I should bring these too.
And so that's the comfort hoodie. No penny pocket on this one.
These ones are from Cotton On. I don't know which ones I should take. These ones are loose fit. Should I wear these on the plane?
Why are you wearing jeans?
As opposed to what? What am I gonna wear? I gotta wear something.
Leggings?
No, I don't wanna wear leggings on the plane.
So you don't want to be comfy, but
These are comfy. Okay, well, should I bring these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of pants. What should I bring? Should I bring them or not?
just bring them. You always gotta have an extra bag. Oh, she's getting into your bag.
Okay, I've got.
Show the camera. I have to show the camera. I have to show the camera.
Oh, I've got another pair of buckle pants.
Yes. Sorry, guys. Where's your dress?
I'm gonna wear these on the plane. That's gonna be my travel pants.
So she's bringing a dress. Her and Ben, you're going on a little date.
Okay, these are my other buckle pants. Other buckle pants. Wore these last year. Bringing these. That'll be plenty of pants.
There was this little dress from Fashion Nova. It's like kind of like it's like a pencil skirt, but just a dress.
I got the Skims. I gotta find my Skims. I bought the Skims, the butt lifting shapewear with the open front. It's got like little shorts.
That's tiny, bro.
I know. It starts out about the size of like a child's onesie. It works so freaking good. Shapes the tummy. Highly recommend. I instantly bought a second one, which should be here before I leave. So I'm gonna bring that too. If you don't have these and you're a mom or you've lost a bunch of weight and you're a little self-conscious, highly recommend these. And they're pretty comfortable too. The only problem is going to the bathroom in them is a challenge. So plan on holding it. I'm gonna wear the Skims with this dress. Just a plain long black dress going on a dinner cruise. It goes around like the Hudson River and it goes by the Statue of Liberty, Brooklyn Bridge, all that stuff.
Okay, are you good with
So
pants?
that'll be fun. Yeah, I've got 1, 2, 3. Wait, 1, 2. Why can't I count? 1,
Then you have 2 pairs of leggings.
2,
You have 7 pairs of pants.
3, 4. 4 and then 2 leggings and then I'll wear a pair.
6 pairs. So 7. Wow, I'm really smart. So this shirt is from Amazon. She looks super skinny in this shirt.
That's what we like because I was wearing the shapewear.
No, you weren't.
Yeah, I was. Well, I wore it the day before.
Well, even without it on, super skinny. So you can fold them up.
Anyway, these are like Skims dupes. So I can link these down below. They're like half the price of the Skims shirt, but it's basically like it's super thick in it, but it's not hot. It's really good quality stuff and it looks really, really nice. I got a white one and then I got a black one.
So this is the one. This is mine.
That one's mine. You got a white one when I bought that one.
Oh yeah! Wild Fable, Target. So this fall colored green, the crop top action. There you go.
Amazon.
Amazon.
I think I got this like last year.
Want to show this on camera?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a bodysuit. It's a onesie.
So bodysuits to me are kind of disgusting. So
It's just like a swimsuit.
this is like a swimsuit, guys. It's giving swimsuit. But this is it. The little V-neck. V-neck is kind of out of style, but it looks great still. Amazon, I'm guessing.
Probably. Yeah, probably Amazon.
Oh, look at Zoe. We gotta get that on cam. We gotta get that on cam. We gotta get that on cam. I'm sorry. We gotta get that on cam. Shh. Look at this. So part. Guys, Zoe is super cute, but really rude. Don't trust her. Oh, she's hiding. She's going under. She's digging a hole. Oh, okay. She's mad.
I'm not gonna have room for all this.
Yes, you are.
What am I gonna wear with this? You wanted to make a fast video.
Okay, so this is a shirt she got me, but I never wore. She's very excited to see what Macy's looks like, all Christmas decorated. Because then when she gets back, she's gonna buy us a new Christmas tree. You guys, vote in the comments if she should get us a new Christmas tree or not.
Yeah, vote in the comments. Yes for Christmas tree, no for no Christmas tree.
Vote in the comments if she should take me to Florida this for my Christmas and my birthday.
What do you want them to vote for? A Christmas tree or?
Florida.
We gotta pick. Either or both. We don't care.
Yeah, both.
Make sure you like this video too. We need
I really need you guys to.
We're on the goal. We're on the path to 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. So help us get there, you guys. Help us get there.
I really need to go to Florida this year and go to Disneyland and Disney World and SeaWorld. Wait, stop. Disney World, Universal, and SeaWorld. So if you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, you guys will make my dreams come true.
Go watch all of our videos that we've done. We've done thrifting hauls, we do vlogs, we've got videos of our dogs. We do it all, guys. Oh, we do nails, lots of nail videos.
Yeah, anyway, let's keep this going.
I think maybe I'll wear this on the plane.
Then there's this little Lulu Doopy, because Lululemon's too expensive. Little Doopy from Amazon, because she basically gets everything on Amazon. It's cheap.
Can't bring all these.
Okay, bring the flannel and the
I
Hudson.
for sure have to bring this because this is part of the dinner. And the flannel, I brought the flannel last year.
Yeah, but the flannel's cute.
I wish I had like just cute overshirt. I think I've got plenty of clothes, right?
No.
What do you mean no?
I'll get the Temu sweatshirt for you.
No, bro.
It's your Hudson York. You need to bring that. Rather be overpacked than underpacked.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna have room for any giftsies.
That's what you have the other side for. And I know Ben did not take up that whole suitcase.
Bro, this one fits inside that one.
Yeah, gifts. Gifts.
All right, okay, I think that's good. I think we're good on clothes.
Okay.
Just need underwear.
Don't say that in the video. Don't say that in the video.
I said underwear, not the other. And then my bra, and then socks. And then I've got this really cute thing. Hold on. Doc Martens Scentbird perfume.
That she won't let me touch because she thinks I'm gonna break it.
No, you already did touch it. Bra from Victoria.
They don't need this now.
Well, they just did. Anyway, I've got this cute, really cute bag.
This is my video now, guys.
So anyway, I got this, of course, on Amazon.
Oh, this is the one that little hangs up.
Yeah, it holds,
Tight,
it hangs
tight,
on the door.
Okay, so my claw clip, guess that I got for her for, what was it, your birthday or your Christmas?
Birthday.
This stuff smells pretty good.
My favorite smell.
Yep, and then there's a Pantene. Your checking bag, right? Is that a
Shampoo, yeah.
shampoo?
and conditioner.
These are both shampoo.
Yep, and conditioner.
Dude
Got
wipes.
Some booty wipes. Got some makeup
Your butt.
remover.
Then we have those because my mom's gonna get blisters. And
Okay.
there's a perfume that she always wears in here. Neosporin, ibuprofen. I got that.
Yeah,
What is
show
this?
it. Show it. It's the Versace
So-
smell.
Scentbird, you need to sponsor us because I want to be able to get one of these too. I want to be able to get one of these. So can I show them how it works real quick?
Sure.
So this is like a mini like little thing.
Holder?
Yeah.
It's a holder.
And then so it's like this. And you go click it over and you can open this up and then there's a perfume in there. And then it'll tell you what it is. So this is Versace Bright Crystal. It was made in Italy. And whenever, ooh, that smells like a little Grammy. Then you put that back in there. You just do the same thing. And then you click it over.
Which is nice because it makes it so that it doesn't squirt when it's locked.
So that's the Scentbird. Scentbird, please sponsor us.
And it's just it's like a monthly subscription for like, I don't know, 10 or 15 bucks a month.
$8.
Huh?
$8.
No, I think it's like 10 or 15. But you get to pick whichever scents you like. You get to pick which scents you want, which ones you like, which ones you want to try. Some are a little bit more expensive than others. Usually your first month, you can find like a deal for them. Anyway, I really like it. It's really cool. So far I've gotten 2 of the smells. And
I don't like the Ariana Grande one.
I don't really like the Ariana Grande.
And then in this top pocket, thank you Beyonce. Oh, little clear elastics. And I think that's about it, right?
Yep, that's it. That's what's in our
That's your
little bag.
little bag. I didn't see. Guys, you can't see.
Never know when you're gonna need something. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that we're gonna bring.
Oh.
So
Another pocket.
ooh, all the clothes behind me. Anyway, so this video will probably come out when I'm in New York because I'm gonna edit it on the plane. And then stay tuned for my New York vlogs and my traveling vlog. I'm super excited, you guys, for all the pictures and all the videos and all of the great content we're gonna make out in New York. It's gonna be epic. I'm so excited. We're gonna go to the New World Trade Center. We're gonna do that dinner cruise. Gonna bike around Central Park. It's gonna be great.
Anyway, basically, I'm going to New York next year because I have to buy my own plane ticket. But, you know, Florida, if you guys will make that happen for me. So, yeah. Oh, we forgot to show those.
Oh, no, I showed them. I showed them.
Doc Martens. If you don't have Doc Martens, I'm sorry, but you gotta go. You gotta go.
You can't sit with us? Oh, that's my hair. Yep, that's my hair.
But guys, please comment down below if we should go to Florida. Thanks. That was so awkward.
Oh, that's really rude, Zoe. Oh, no, she's not back there anymore.
Bye guys. Bye guys. Say bye.
Bye. I'm so excited.
Yeah, there'll be a bunch of videos coming out. Bye.